Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn English subject standard 5th, and the lesson is Robinson Crusoe. Discover a footprint. Okay, let's start reading the lesson. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. Okay, in this lesson, a person, Robinson Crusoe, was on the sea because his ship had been destroyed by sea. Okay, then after he had been alone for many years at sea. There was no anyone with him, so he was alone. Alone means lonely. Okay, and then one day he discovered a footprint. Footprint means a image of a foot. Okay, so he discover means find out a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. Okay. One day when I was going towards my boat, this story was telling by Robinson Crusoe. Okay. So he was telling that when one day I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. One day he was very surprised to see a footprint of man. So he was very surprised, amazed. Okay, surprise means amazed. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear or nor and see anything. He could not neither hear or see anything around him. So he was very amazed. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore. Shore means the land belongs to sea. Okay, so he went up the shore and down the shore because he want to found something or someone, because he found a footprint of someone, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. Okay, when he was found the other footprint, he could not find another footprint, but he found only one footprint. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been by imagination. Okay, he want to see that he want to show that the footprints is only one, or there were any more footprints on the sand. So he want to show another footprint, so he found out all around. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the footprint of foot, toes, heels, every part of foot. I could not imagine how it came there. Okay, he was very amazed to thought that there was no one. Then how can the footprint came there? Because the island was very lonely. There was only one person, and he was Robinson Crusoe. There was no anyone. So how can the footprint came to the sand? So he was very surprised to saw a footprint, and it was exactly footprint because it had toes, heels, every part of a foot. So he was very surprised and he was not mistaken. He was not mistaken means he was sure that there was a footprint of somebody. I stayed a long time thinking. He was stayed there for thinking, but became more and more confused. He became more and more confused. Confused means puzzled. Okay, he got confused because there was nobody, and how can the footprint came to the sand. At last I returned home very frightened. At last he was returned to his home with very frightened, afraid, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and trees to be a man. He was very afraid to see a footprint, so he was very afraid and he was very hurried to return to his home. He was seeing every bush and tree to be a man. He was thinking that there was someone who was following him. So he was very afraid. When I came to my cave means gufa, which I called my castle. Castle means a mansion or palace, mahal. He told his cave castle. वो अपनी गुफा को अपना महल कहता था. Okay, so when he came to his cave, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock. Okay. Now what happened? When he returned to his cave, he realized that someone was chased him. Chased means to be followed by someone. Okay, so he was thinking that someone chased him. Someone chased him means someone was followed him. He didn't remember that whether used to ladder or hole to go inside the rock, which I call the door. The hole that he used to go inside the rock he called door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. He ran very fast than any animal because he was very afraid. Why he was very afraid? Because he saw the footprint of man, and he was alone from many years. Okay, he was alone from many years, so he was very afraid by seeing the footprint of any person. I did not sleep at that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, he was very surprised, and he was very afraid, so he did not sleep that night. The more afraid I became, he became more afraid after the thought of footprint. I thought it could be one of the savage of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Here, savages means wild person, wild man, and mainland means extent of land. Okay, large extent of land. Who had wandered out the sea in a small boat. Someone like wild person came from mainland in his small boat. He was thought that. Luckily I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen my boat, he would have realized that someone lived in the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. What he thought? He thought if the savage saw my boat, he would came to my cave, and the savages were killed me, and eat me. So he was very afraid after this thought. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. Okay, he prayed for his protection because he was very afraid from the footprint. In doing so, I was much comfortable and began going out to investigate. In search, investigation means searching. Investigate means to search. Okay, he was much comforted to begin for searching. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. He was very afraid, so he looked behind him if someone was followed him or not. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and I saw nothing, I became a little bolder. Okay, after 3 or 4 days, what he thought? He thought that there was no one followed me, no one chased me. So he became little bolder. Bolder means courage. Okay, हिम्मतवान बन गया. I decided to go down to the shore again to examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my 1 foot mark. Okay, what he decided? He decided to measure the foot mark to his own foot mark. Okay, as I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Okay, when he came to the footprint, closer to the footprint, जब नज़दीक आया footprint के Robinson, he was realized that it was not the footprint of Robinson because he had not visited the part of this beach since long time. Then how can his footprint came here? So here he realized that it was not the Robinson's footprint. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seems larger than my own. Okay. Secondly, he realized the footprint was not of him because the first cause was he had not been visited the place from many long time. And second thing was it was larger than Robinson footprint, so it was not the footprint of Robinson. My fear returned. Again he became feared. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. Okay, when he realized that it was not footprint of Robinson, he again afraid very much and he believed that there was someone on the island. The island was inhabited. Inhabited means someone dwelled in. Someone already habited there. Okay, so I hope that you understand the story and you enjoy the story. Now you keep reading the story for much understand the story, and you have to write down the new words and opposite words in your notebook. Have a nice day. Thank you.